There's the Viva Envigado shopping center. I'm about to get off the metro here at the Envigado Metro station. So stay tuned for this shopping center tour. And it's right 3 blocks away from the metro. The metro connects you to it. As you see, we're arriving at the metro station here. And you just walk on over and we'll do this in a second. Here we just got off the metro here and we're walking straight to get out. And this is Envigado. This is Envigado. You guys come up from the metro station that way and you come up these electric stairs and you go up and we're going towards the mall now. This is Envigado and let's go check out the mall. Let's check out the mall. The mall is right over there. We got this whole thing that takes us all the way over there. Let's go where we see Viva. They got Dollar City there. Now if you just want to go over to the park, you don't have to come up the stairway there, the electrical stairway. You just go continue walking that way and you go straight up to the Envigado Park. You can see the church towers, 2 towers on the sides in the far distance probably. And that takes you all the way up. And the Debra Arango Park and Library is over there, a block up from the avenue. A block over up, behind Arame Hotel. And this is the old Peldar factory. It's closed down. They're gonna do something. They're gonna develop it. I don't know when, but supposedly this is closed down. Peldar is a glass factory here. And we're going towards the shopping center. And they got an Éxito. Wow. We're inside the mall now. And the top part, we got a children's park up there. We have all of this. And this is Viva Envigado shopping center here. So let's see what else we can see, guys. See what else we get. This is the entrance way from the metro station all the way that way. So this is Santa Elena. This is inside the shopping center. We're gonna go see if we could go upstairs and see what else. It's very early still. It's only like 9:35 a.m. and they got a decathlon sports shop here. I saw the same one in India. The only one I saw that I remember was in Dehradun. They're in Uttarakhand. So we got a decathlon here. We got these seats where people could just chill and hang out. So let's go see what else we could see. And that's decathlon. Look at this, an old school photo automat thing where you could take pictures with your friends and all. Wow. Do you guys remember this? This is all electronic now. Nice. This is the whole restaurant area here. They got all kinds of restaurants, even vegetarian. I think one vegetarian here. You got crepes and waffles. You got, I don't know what, you got bars here. Sushi market. Everything, I mean, everything is closed right now because it's only right before 10 a.m. El Corral burger place. And Milagros Mexican food. Parmesano over there. And then the food court. These are the restaurants. The nice restaurants and everything. And then the food court is right over here. Look, we got a Mickey D's and some Japanese thing here, and Mickey D's, McDonald's. And the food court with Papa John's, Subway, Frisbee, Burger King, Pasta Express, Cabano sandwiches, everything. Now that's the area I was telling you about, but it's closed. That's the kiddie playground area, but I guess because of the era we're living in right now in 2021, since 2020, since March or February, this is like this. And they got a showroom here. So that's the whole food area, food court. And you can see down there, you got the big Christmas tree in the middle, and people are just walking around, and some probably international tourists, those two guys over there, or maybe they are from town, maybe they're not. So you got all of this there. You got all of this, and it's very early. So this is the food court, and on the top floor there they got football courts for football, mini football courts, and tea place there, Momo tea. Wow, like from Nepal. So let's go see the showroom. Vehicles here, the Renault showroom, Chevrolet. Look at that, wow, look at that Chevy. I like that Chevy right there, that SUV. It looks really nice. A Blazer. Then we got Renault, which is really Dacia. Renault, I mean these vehicles, Logan and Stepway Sandero from what I understand. And then you got the other vehicles, Mazda, Sang, whatever, Ford, all these showrooms, and then motorcycle helmet place where you can buy helmets for your motorcycle, for your head, not for the motorcycle. I'm crazy saying for your head, for the motorcycle, it's for your head. Indu cascos. And so all these are the vehicles that are represented here: Citroën, Suzuki, Mazda. Indu cascos is the helmet thing. Ford, SsangYong, Renault, and Chevrolet. Let's go to the top floor and we'll see what we can see there. That's the whole food court area there. A lot of tables where you can sit and have your food, and pet friendly. You see a doggy over there, a chocolate lab. And this is the Viva Sports section where they got all kinds of sporting things you can do. Let me show you the football court, and they got the food shops for this kind of layout. Let's see what we can see. You got one mini football court here to play football. People can watch from there or from inside here. They got nets so the balls never leave. Nets going on the side and up, over, so there's no way you'll really lose the football. You got a Ferris wheel over there for the kids, and you got another football court here. There are 3 of them so far. 1, 2, 3, and there are a couple of more football courts here. So usually people are playing football here, doing their micro football games. And this is the shopping center. Let's go look at the movie theater area. Oh, beach volleyball too. Look, you can do beach volleyball, not bleach, but beach volleyball here. And it's a nice view, and they're just fixing it up, doing everything. And look, Sabaneta towards the south, La Estrella, Itagüí, and Envigado. It's a hazy morning. It's a very hazy morning, and they're finishing an apartment complex building there, a tower block for sale. Last apartments and shops, business shops for sale. The WhatsApp number is 317-442-7654 in case you're interested. And it's, you got all of this. Todo Fresa is an awesome place to have a coffee or tea and some kind of sweet or soury dessert. Very nice shop, Fruta Fresca, if you want to buy some nice brand clothing, different brands and everything. Diesel Hall. Payless shoe store here. This is the Payless shoe store. Very American. Car for sale does not come with the person occupying it. Kia for sale, but it does not come with the woman occupying it. And this is the IMAX and normal theaters for Cine Colombia. All of it here. They've got IMAX, Dynamax 4D, everything. All of this. I don't know if it's working right now because of the the restrictions these days. So this is the mall, and I'll show you Starbucks coffee at the end, the last part. Hey doggy, hey doggy. We also have an H&M here, H&M international thing, department store. And then we have American Eagle right over there, American Eagle. So Naf, Colombian brand, Speedo, international and national brands, Polo Club, etc. Now let's go see the coffee, Starbucks coffee, the last part, and then I gotta go. This is a tour at the mall here, Viva Envigado. It's a very cool mall, very nice. A lot of things to do if you want to shoot the breeze, burn some time, everything. Americanino stores, Super Dry brand, Pilatos, Popsy, gourmet ice cream over there. Librería Nacional bookshop. And Converse is over there, Converse. And we're gonna see the last part and then I'm out of here. Then I gotta go do my things. We got a Starbucks over here, Astor. It's a good pastry shop and ice cream and coffee. Astor, very nice, classic, old school. Juan Valdez, that's the Juan Valdez shop right there. Juan Valdez coffee. And let's go see the last part of this whole shebang dang. Starbucks, as promised. I mean, if you like Starbucks, okay. If you like Starbucks. Then we got the crepes and waffles, not the restaurant, but the ice cream thing. And Starbucks. We have Starbucks here. If you're a Starbucks addict and you're addicted to Starbucks, that's Starbucks right there. Starbucks coffee shop with the free Wi-Fi, open and whatever. So there we go. If you love bagels, they have bagels here. Al Alma, that coffee roasters. Bagels. They have bagels if you want bagels with coffee. Wow, very nice. And había una vez sandwiches, desserts. Look at that. Somebody's eating a nice sandwich there and everything. They have breakfast beginning at 8,000 pesos. Scrambled eggs, some bread and coffee, I guess, and some cheese. Sandwiches and everything. I recommend it. I recommend it. And now we're going on to the avenue here, Las Vegas Avenue. We're just leaving the mall. Éxito Wow is right next door. So this is the entrance from Las Vegas Avenue. And look at this big doggy. Look at that big guy. Woo! Hola. Nice dog. Muy bonito perro. So yeah, we're just leaving here. And that's the Éxito Wow. Another Juan Valdez shop in there and everything. So this is the place. And this is the entrance to Viva Envigado. And if you want to live in this area, guys, you can find apartments across the street to buy or to rent. And you see one says se vende, for sale, another one over there, and some apartment building going up right there. All of this, very nice. And the taxi stand here, and they have a home center, which is like a Home Depot. Home center is inside. I didn't show it to you, but it's in there. Bye bye. One more thing, if you like this video, remember, give it a like. Give it a like. I'm about the likes. I'm about the subscribers. I'm about you enjoying these videos. Leave comments, share it with your friends and whatever on social networks, on your social network sites. So share it, help it grow. And this is the taxi stand. You're secure in taking a taxi here because it's controlled. So you're not going to get robbed or killed or whatever. You got to be very unlucky for that one to happen. Envigado super safe in general.